Hi, I'm Tyler from TELUS, and today I'm answering the question, how do I restart my modem? Restarting your modem is like a cure-all for a lot of issues. Sometimes it takes longer to pinpoint the exact issue than it does just to restart your modem, which can do it in one go. Your modem handles all the internet traffic to your devices. It does that by handing out IP addresses to each device, giving it permission to use the internet. An easier way to think of it would be, think of the modem as a ticket vendor to the movie, and it's giving out tickets to the internet movie show. But sometimes the modem has to give out new IP addresses to your devices, and it might miss one. And if that's the case, your device thinks it's got the right permission and ticket, so does the modem, but each time they try it doesn't work. So by restarting your modem, it forces the modem to give out all new IP addresses, which will give you access to the internet again. So let's say you want to restart your modem. Just find the power cord at the back, unplug it, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for these lights to turn green. This part could take up to 5 or 10 minutes. Then head back to the device you're using and see if that resolves your issue. If restarting the modem doesn't fix the issue, then it could be your device, which you can try restarting your device and seeing if that fixes it. And if not, it could be something to do with the range of your network. Thanks for watching.